At this distance, I was really
There is no rapport. How can you build a rapport? That's the problem. Breaking the silence.
So initially the same thing what others have done. So I didn't want to repeat that.
Do you know why you're here and friends have sent you? I know how important difficult friendships can be.
Speaking about friendship. Okay. Anything else?
I can see you're upset and it's surely disturbing you. Would you like to resolve this issue?
One good point.
Build the activity on scenario one. That's a nice watch your way was to gift. It's a gift. Or do you have any plans for the weekend? Are you going out with your friends?
The person is striving for the food.
No, but that's
No, the person has came to you saying that I am striving for food, and you are asking him whether I will have biryani next week.
get deviating from what we
That's right.
and then we should come to the I know, I mean, we need to know whether we are on the right track.
Even
The second scenario would be where the boy comes in and standard.
no, one is here. Don't have that much of time. You should not say that everyone has said whatever we have said. First thing it was.
Now my question is basically based on the fact that I'm not even able to establish a verbal communication with my client. She's either only nodding or just shaking her head to whatever I say. So since I already know the problem, I'm just building a conversation, one-sided conversation, and I come to a point that I've never, I have very similar values to yours, and I really like them. But in my time, I never used to buy values. And my best friend used to buy them for me all the time. I had followers and taste, and till now, she's the only one who does it for me. I'm presuming that talking of best friends and how she does so much of my work is going to make her breakdown.
That's it. Yeah. We had a client. The client is unresponsive. The client doesn't want to talk with you. The client doesn't know what to do.
Because it's very important to check if it is maths or social or if it's coming on a free time. If it's the things related to maths and social, it's very important to find out what is the thing that's making him to escape. If it's coming on a free time, then it's very important to identify what brought him here. What is that it's actually bothering him that we really want to discuss to a counselor, whether the issues are related to the puberty or for the loneliness or the physical changes that he's going through. Or sometimes just a basic counseling for reassurance that puberty is just a phase of growing and it's just a part.
Number one, egocentric. Now, 6th standard boy. You will not come for chocolate. Appreciating is egocentric. Number one. Number two, what do you say now?
First, I got to look at the body language.
Body language, probing in all the options at this age where the child may got affection and monitoring the body language so that confirming, okay, fine, over here there will be some problem. If you probe a little more, we will get something like that. And number 4, swim. Right? Next, here, yeah, that was also good silence breaker. When you ask the boy, when you doubt the boy doesn't have any other option to be silent. The boy has to show himself that, no, I have come to the real problem. So he will break up the silence, social spirit, no, I have asked the reference, I have got a permission to teacher, I can do that. something he will block out. Okay, that also works in some other way. Okay, next case. Next case. Who has got options for next case? Okay, I got a contract. Now you have understood how to tackle this case, right? So you may be knowing that okay, mine is good, mine is for trading. This route, you got it. Okay, this route, you got it. This route, you got it. Okay, that route. Route. Yeah. This route, you will start with this route. You are still in the body. Okay, we will find something. Yeah. What are you going to do with the one?
Is your teacher sending? Or else you can't figure out. What do you do? You change.
Was covered by time. So teachers
To break back to last one game.
We can start off talking about field of interest. It's a word. We can talk about what field of interest. It is the second standard boys who are into gaming, sports and things and cartoons and stuff. So if it's a girl, then two girls are involved. So field of interest, we can talk about.
How was the performance in school or academics?
That is afterwards. That is afterwards. Now the kid is in front of you, therefore by a parent, sent by a teacher. What will you do with the kid? That's
Probably the child we should understand is there a fear factor. And we need to find out what is the fear factor. Or something, because that is standard level. Where the second standard child is we need to find out what the fear factor is.
Sure.
What is the
Shall we change? Interesting. Yeah, you want to go? Come on.
She is very small and not very, if you don't have any information about the government, you make it comfortable. Like what you do every day, what all things you have done. Last week, about the family, about the life goals. What will be also?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know whether I'm correct.
Every division is character.
Yeah, it's okay in class. That's what I did. No information was given that it was harmful. So when the class asked me to the office, I gave him one day and then I didn't have things to up and I asked him whether, like,
Second sentence, we can do it.
father, even some coloring videos, and made him a little. Let's start asking.
I will also, because we don't know and the child also doesn't know why he has come there. So what we do is we try to use the confusing that part. कि आपको क्यों यहाँ मतलब I will just say मम्मी ने डांटा था आपको तो he'll be quiet. आप आइसक्रीम ज़्यादा खा लिए थे तो he'll say yes मुझे आइसक्रीम अच्छा लगता है तो मैं खा गया. So he's confused why it was he stopped for something which he likes. So we try to clear those confusions of the child.
The first thing is the objective of this plan is to just establish rapport. Will not be able to probe into the problem, will not be able to counsel the child. We have an opportunity with the child, we are going to establish a rapport. Comfort him, speak about his interesting, maybe somewhere around you will get some information about the problem. Still, you can't deal with the problem straight away. You have to refer, you have to speak to the teacher, you have to speak to the parent. Then again you fall in the